केले media that Chicale mosquito start for COVID patient. This is one point. Second decision was to get regarding vaccination. Vaccination should be at one center, so they decided to have it at Bandar Ravindra Bhavan. Because vaccination they have in Chicale as well as Ravindra Bhavan. And think a lot of vaccination as well as COVID patient. So this is one decision taken today. Vaccination will be at Bandar Ravindra Bhavan. And Chicale hospital also will be a 30-bed hospital for next week.
We were thinking of committing it into a exclusive COVID hospital. So director had already given us due directions, and preparations were being carrying out on these days. Now the time is come to convert it into a COVID hospital from Monday. So we will do it, and we are going to shift the vaccination, which is going on right now for 45 and above age group, to Ravindra Bhavan.
सर सध्या पॉझिटिव्हिटी रेट इतली वाढलेली आसा. हाऊ आर यू कोपिंग अप विथ दॅट पॉझिटिव्हिटी रेट? इट इज गॉन टू 51. So how is the situation in Chicale hospital?
Situation is quite tough to say frankly actually, because our first testing line is big. 400 to 500 people line up for the swab testing, wherein antigen and RT-PCR tests are done. Nearly 50% of them come positive. So 400 झाले 200 positive येतात, 500 250 positive येतात. And of course we give them due treatment, and those who are asymptomatic आपले वखदांतल्यान घरा वता. पण तांचे सिव्हियर अशें आसा की ते वसन जाता घरा कडेन, तांचो ऑक्सिजन सॅच्युरेशन देंवता. ते सांजच्या मागीर ऑल इवन द प्रिवियस हू आर पॉझिटिव्ह दे एंड अप इन द कॅज्युअलिटी. नाव कॅज्युअलिटी इज जनरल कॅज्युअलिटी वीच गेट्स फ्लडेड वीथ दीस पीपल ऑल्सो हू आर पॉझिटिव्ह. इन एट ए टायम 5-6 लोक भितर ऑक्सिजनाचेर आसता. सो ऑफकोर्स दे आर ऑन ऑक्सिजन, दे जनरेट लॉट ऑफ एरोसोल्स and droplets, and our also doctors are also, of course, they are taking due care, but there is, because we have to wait for a long time for the ambulance to come, the dedicated COVID ambulance to carry them to either GMC or Sadgaon District Hospital. So the delay in transporting is also become a big problem for Chicale.
सर खंय तरी हांवें डॉक्टरांनी एक रिक्वेस्ट केल्लो आहा की कन्सिडरींग द पॉझिटिव्हिटी रेट लॉकडावन एक्सटेंड करचो म्हणून. एज अ डॉक्टर तुमी कितें दिसता? शूड द लॉकडावन बी एक्सटेंडेड फॉर द सेक ऑफ द हेल्थ ऑफ द पीपल?
It will definitely help to curb down the transmission of the infection, provided people do follow it, and social distancing and पाळून वागून.
15 दीस वाडयले जाल्यार लॉकडावन द रेट कुड कम डावन.
Last year we had seen that our cases had come down when we had a long lockdown. So this time also, why not?
थँक्यू. किती मेन मुद्दे आसले?
Meeting was to discuss the situation of the COVID in Mormugao Taluka. So basically, the local representatives आसा, that is MLAs जे आसा तांकां आपयल्ले, आनी आमचे डॉक्टर्स आनी पुलीस आशिल्ले. सो बेसिकली टू डिस्कस द सिच्युएशन, प्रेजेंट सिच्युएशन, आनी कितें चेंजीस जाय ते डिस्कस करपा खातीर मिटींग आशिल्ली. तातूंत 1-2-3 मुद्दे आमी डिस्कस केल्या. वन वॉज रिगार्डींग द वॅक्सिनेशन सायट्स ज्यो आसा त्यो जनरली आमचे जे हॉस्पिटल आसा ताचे कडल्यान सेपरेट करपाच्यो. सो ताजेर एक आमी हें घेतलां की रवींद्र भवन जें आसा इट्स अ व्हेरी लार्ज एरिया, सो ते आयडेंटिफाय करून देर आमी 2 सेपरेट वॅक्सिनेशन सायट्स करपाच्यो अशें डिस्कस करून आमी ठरयल्लें आसा.
आणि चिखली हॉस्पिटलाचे बी कितें डिसिजन घेतलेलें आसा? इज इट गोइंग टू बिकम अ कोविड हॉस्पिटल सून?
That doctors are exploring that possibility. Doctors are, the health department will have to take a decision on it. ताजेर डिस्कशन करून ताजेर कितें डिसिजन आसा करतले.
सर आनी प्रायवेट एम्ब्युलन्स बी कितें रोप करपाचे प्लॅन आसा?
प्रायवेट एम्ब्युलन्सीस आतां ज्यो कितें MLAन सजेशन्स दिल्ल्यो, 1-2-3 हें दिल्ल्यो, सो त्यो जाता जाल्यार त्यो रोपीन करून वी वील ट्राय टू प्रोवायड इट टू द चिकलीम हॉस्पिटल, सो दॅट थंय जर कितें कोणूय अचानक जर डावन जालो जाल्यार ताका खंय एडमीट करचो पडलो जाल्यार दॅट वील बी युजफूल ओवर देर.